From now on, we start covering using actual data, which means normal distribution data, and then find their probability using the standard normal distribution. Okay, so in order to do so, you understand the formula here. The formula is z equal to x minus mu over sigma. That's the z-score formula. As I told you, in order to convert from normal data to the standard normal data, we have to switch x to z-scores, right? So z is defined as x minus mu over sigma. Okay, then look at this example here. A survey indicates that people use their computers on average of 2.4 years before upgrading to a new machine. The standard deviation is 0.5 year. A computer owner is selected at random. Find the probability that A here, he or she will use it for fewer than 2 years before upgrading. So, this case, this one is based on data. Data means x value here. So I can rewrite this one. Probability x is fewer than 2 years. So that's our interpretation of this sentence here. But now, in order to find probability of this question, we need to switch x to z. Okay, x to z here. Then how to do it? Basically, you just write x value become z here, and then we follow the exactly same sign here. Okay, so again, so as you see, x become z value, and then this symbol is exactly same here. Now, since we want to switch x to z, this the z formula must be applied. Okay, therefore this will be 2 minus mu is 2.4, so 2.4 over sigma, which is 0.5. Okay, then this will be probability z is less than negative 0.8. Okay, now we switch to z-score in this case, so we need to read z-table. So therefore z is negative 0.8, so go to z-table, negative 0.8, which is right here basically, which is 0.2119. So we can say this is 0.2119. Okay, one more time, when we talk about z-score, the z-score is usually indicate left side area here, right? Left side means something that this z-score, this O value, which is less than the particular z-score. So now it is actually matched with this condition, right? So we are finding the area value less than negative 0.8. So the answer will be 0.2119 will be the answer. Okay. Now look at the B. B is he or she will use it more than 3 years. Okay, it should more than 3 years. So as I told you, this sentence, it is based on the data x. So you can rewrite this probability x is bigger than 3. Good. Now it is normal data set. We need to convert this to z-score. Otherwise, we cannot find the probability. Okay, so this become then probability. Now x become z. We keep the same symbol. Then now 3 minus 2.4 over 0.5, right? Again, x minus mu over sigma. If you calculate this one, then it's going to be probability z is greater than 1.2 here. Okay, now go to z table. So the 1.2, which is the positive side, so go here. Then 1.2, which is 0.8849. Okay, So this become 0.8849. But let's look carefully of this direction. This direction means centering of 1.2. You know, the centering of 1.2. This one indicates we're gonna find this right side area here. Good. But this value indicate which area? Left side area here. Then how to find right side? Yes, the sum of total area will be 1. So you subtract this from the 1, then there will be the answer. So which is 0.1151. Okay. That will be the answer for this question. Okay. Then the last one, look at the C. He or she will use it between 1.7 years and 2.7 years before upgrading. Actually, this question is a little more complicated, so I'm going to explain from the next video.